What's up, YouTube fam? Look here, we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna do a cold start on a Harley Davison 2020 48 1200. It's on its tender right now, and we about to fire this bad boy up. So give me just a second. I'm gonna pull it out a little bit and we're gonna crank this thing. Alright, just to show everybody that it's not hot. Everything, I couldn't be touching it right now if it's hot at all. I mean, she's a beauty. She needs to be cleaned off. But anyways, I wouldn't be able to touch it if it's hot. So here we go. I'm gonna lay y'all down right here, and we're gonna fire this thing up. Here we go.